Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate unlimited free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. So let's jump right into it. First, open ThankYouAI.com. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you'll see an interface like this. Now, click on the sign in button in the top right corner. You can sign up for ThankYou AI using your personal Google account or email address. It's completely up to you. For this YouTube video, I'll continue with my Google account, so click on it and complete the sign up process. After sign up, you'll see a dashboard like this where you can create AI images and AI videos. For this tutorial, I'll select AI video. Here you'll find various video models including sedans, Kling, VEO and other. But for this video, I'll go with sedans 2.0. So click on it. A new workspace will open where you can access AI chat, image, video, and AI audio as well. You can also upload reference images. Here you need to enter a prompt. For the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. Simply open ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this YouTube video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. Once your prompt is ready, copy it and paste it into ThankYou AI. Underneath, you can choose the video resolution, aspect ratio, duration of the video as well, and then simply click the generate button. As you can see, the generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. Meanwhile, the video is being generated. Let me tell you one very important thing. You can sign up for ThankYou AI using your personal Google account or email address. It's completely up to you. This free tool gives you 100 free credits as a sign-up bonus, which is enough to generate approximately 2 AI videos, depending on the video model and setting you choose. If you want to create more than 2 videos or generate longer video content once your credits runs out, simply sign up again using a different Google account or email address to receive more free credits. This way, you can continue generating as many AI videos as you want until the platform becomes paid or introduces more limit like generation limits. So let's wait for the video to finish generating. And here we go. A free AI video with ThankYou AI has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided with excellent quality and resolution. So with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments below if this free tool helped you generate your video content or not. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.